Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I am here today to do a little break from sniff sessions to show you the latest just kind of mini haul that I got the other day, and I haven't unboxed it yet even though it's been here for like 3 days. I know, so bad, but I thought that I would share it with you guys because it's been a while since I've shared with you guys any of the hauls that I've gotten. So why don't we go ahead and get started? If you didn't know, I am a Scentsy consultant, but I'm very honest about my reviews. And yeah, I just really hope that my feedback helps you guys decide what you guys like and what you guys may not like. So packing paper for days. Okay, so just recently, and I believe it is still available. If it's not, I'll put a little note here, but they had kind of like a cleaning bundle. This cleaning bundle is $26 and it comes with 3 amazing items, and it comes in the scents either Cider Mill or Autumn Road Trip. I got Cider Mill last year, so this year I decided to do Autumn Road Trip. It comes with a counter clean. Counter clean is wonderful for counters. It's great for pretty much anything that doesn't have like a wooden or porous type of material. It does an amazing job cleaning. If you do use it on, like I have a wood table, but it's a black wood table and it does leave streaking on those, so that is one thing to be sure about, but everything else I get the sparkling. And then it comes with a dish soap. The dish soap is probably my favorite of the cleaning products of all. It does such a great job cleaning my dishes whenever I happen to do, hand washing or just getting some, grime out before I put it into the dishwasher. I just love the dish soap. Let me smell this. Oh, that is good. You get apples and pears, and I think there's oak in this, and you really do get like a beautiful cool woods note into this too. Very clean, but really nice and fruity. I love this. So that's the dish soap. The dish soap also lasts a really long time. I usually put it in a dish soap dispenser so I could just pump it out, because as you can see, you can have this, but you can use the laundry pumps from the laundry detergent in that. And then there is a hand soap. The hand soap is not foaming, but you can get foaming dispensers. But I don't mind gel, so we got some hand soap too. In the clearance section, they still had the pods of Fiji flower, so I thought that I would grab a couple of those. This is just a really bright floral scent. It really reminds me sometimes of Here Comes the Sunflowers. So I got just a pack of that. And then I got a 6-pack of bars. So let's see what I got. And hopefully they're in decent shape because it's still hot as heck out here. Okay, so I got the scent of the month, the current scent of the month. So for August 2021. And this is Vanilla Blackberry. I wonder how different this is going to be from Black Raspberry Vanilla. Okay, totally different than what I was expecting. The vanilla is very, very light in this. This is mainly tart blackberries. On a scale of 1 to 10 on sweetness, it's probably maybe a 3, very low. Not overly tart, but very interesting. I'm intrigued by this. Like I said, the vanilla is almost undetectable. So I am really excited to try Vanilla Blackberry. And this is 10% off until August 30th. At the end of August 31st, it goes full price if there's any, leftover bars. Okay, I think what I did here is I got some of the fall and winter scents that can still be kind of melted during, the end of summer. So I got Arctic Kiss, and Arctic Kiss has always reminded me more of like a spring summer scent. It's clean, kind of marshmallowy. There is a little bit of fruitness to this, like what could it be? Not cranberries, maybe even, it might be blackberries. I know that there's supposed to be mint in this, but the mint isn't like a mint. It's more just like a really coolness to it. So that is Arctic Kiss. A zillion people love this. I like it a lot. Dancing Sugar Plums. When I was doing my sniff sessions, every time I smelled Dancing Sugar Plums, I was like, why have I never melted this? So I got a bar of it. Okay, this, first of all, you could tell that it had been sitting a little bit because it's just a little bit melty. This smells a lot different than it did on the tester. I smell a lot more cinnamon in this. Okay, this might have to wait until fall because I'm detecting a lot more spice in this than I did in the tester. In the tester, I smelled a lot of sweet fruit. So that's it. It's not like I didn't like it. It's just not for the season that I'm thinking of. Next, I'm really excited for Spiced Ember Glow. Absolutely loved it on the tester. Look how pretty this wax is too. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Just as good. It's like a little bit more cinnamon in this, but it's a really nice, maybe cinnamony marshmallow fireside, if that makes sense. Really nice, the Spiced Ember Glow. Okay, two more. I am so excited for this one. Cashmere and Corduroy. And yes, oh my gosh, this is so good. That cashmere and amber musky scent. It's so sexy and perfect for the bedroom. My room might smell like this all fall and winter. Cashmere and Corduroy. I hope it performs well because it's going to go in my club otherwise. Is this the last one? It is. So the sixth in that bundle and save six pack of bars is Scarlet Sunflower. I was intrigued by a floral being in a brand new floral in the fall and winter catalog. And this is nice and bright. It's a late summer scent. There's a little bit of fruit in this, like I don't know if it's a melon. Yeah, it has a melon note in here with the floral with no powder. Very intriguing. So that is Scarlet Sunflower. Hopefully you'll see some of these when I get back into my Fragrance Fridays and what I've been kind of melting and burning in my house. But that is just the little mini haul that I got. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like what you saw here today, know I do a ton of home fragrance stuff. So make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up. And even if you don't really like home fragrance, I do a lot of other stuff. So go ahead and check those videos and subscribe anyway. All right, everybody, I will talk to you guys again next time. I hope you guys are having a fabulous weekend. Actually, when you see this, it'll be Monday. I hope you have a fabulous week then. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.